right, happy Tuesday, guys. All right, Miss Six has already done her circling, okay, because I really want to talk to you through the problem. Okay, so today's Tuesday. Remember, we're in our mission 2, lesson number 2, word problem. Okay, now you've probably already done this lesson on your Zern, and that is okay because now you know how to work it the correct way. Okay, our goal is to make a 10 to add when one of our parts is 9. All right, so let's see if we can do it. All right, Lisa was reading a book. Who are we talking about? Lisa. What was she doing? Reading. What was she reading? Book. Good. Okay, that doesn't really help us with our math, but it just tells us what she's doing. Okay, she read 6 pages the first night. Okay, so look how Miss Suggs circled and put a first at the top. Okay, now you're gonna, what is she reading? Pages. How many? 6. But you also need to underline first night because it tells you when she was reading them. Okay, remember you can pause Miss Suggs at any time. 5 pages the next night. Okay, what was she reading? Pages again. How many? 5. And 4 pages the following night. What was she reading? Pages. How many? 4. When? The following night. Now notice Miss Suggs labeled these. First night, 1. Next night, 2. Last night, 3. So you know your paper is going to need to be divided into 3 parts. Pause Miss Suggs and finish this sentence. When you're done, unpause and we'll start again. Okay, as a number detective, we want to figure out how many pages did she read? Okay, so we're going to say how many? How many what? Pages. Did she do what? Read. So we want to put all these numbers together and figure out how many she read. Okay, when you finish this, put a check in your read box. Remember, we're going to make a drawing to show our thinking and write a statement to go with our work. Now, this is an extension. We don't always do this in the classroom. If you want to go back and do it, you can, but I put a mark through it because I don't expect you to do it, okay? But if you want to, you can. All right, put that check in your read box. All right, let's go down to our picture, okay? So we read for 3 nights. So Miss Suggs went ahead and split her paper into 3 parts, labeling night 1, night 2, night 3. Remember, you can pause Miss Suggs to write this and make your paper look like her. And start back up when you're ready. All right, next, guys, we're going to do our dots. How many did we read on Monday? Okay, or first night. Always say Monday because it's the first day of the week. Okay, she read 6. So we're going to draw 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, make sure you put your label underneath so Miss Suggs just knows how many you drew. It's easy for her to see your thinking. Okay, then we're going to go to night 2. She read how many pages? 5. Okay, we're going to draw 5 and label 5. Okay, and night 3, she read how many? 4 pages. We're going to go to night 3 and we're going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yours should look just like this. All right, but they want to know how many pages she read in all. So remember, Miss Suggs told you our goal is make a 10 to add. Do you see 2 numbers in here that could be partners that will come together to make a 10 to help you add? If you're saying 6 and 4, you're right, okay? I'm going to tell you a trick about making a 10. You always want to use the biggest number. Why do you think you would want to use the biggest number? It's because it's the closest to 10. You're right, okay? So, you're going to use 6. And how many more does this friend 6 need to get to 10? Does he need 5 or does he need 4? He needs 4. You're right. So I'm going to go ahead and circle them. Circle 6 and I'm going to circle 4 because I'm putting those 2 together to make 10. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we usually do. Miss X usually brings this one down and this one down. And we put 10. Okay, so what they want us to do is they want us to do 6 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, notice I put them a little out of order. Why do you think I did that? Because I put the two numbers that make 10 close together. Okay, so when you get to this point, this much on your paper, unpause, Miss Suggs, and we'll keep going. All right, so when we put two numbers together, we use what we call a carrot stick. Okay, because that helps us know they come together to make a total. Okay, so we put 6 and 4 together to make 10. But we still have 5 more we need to think about. Okay, so we go ahead and bring him on down and add him to 10. Okay, can you easily add 5 to 10? I think so. You could say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, if you need to, some people like to draw a count on picture. You can do 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 10 plus 5 equals 15. All right, when you finish all of this, you can put a check in your draw box. Okay, now, we're not going to draw a number bond, and the reason we're not going to draw a number bond is because we're working with 3 numbers, so that can get our brain just too confused. When we draw a number bond, we're only working with 2 parts to find a whole. Okay, so we are going to do our W, our last part of our W in our written sentence, because we want to know how many pages did she read. We're going to say, Lisa read 15 pages, period. Okay, you know that because 10 plus 5 is 15, or 6 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. You really want to check your thinking, you can go and count all of your dots. Okay, you're ready to go to Zurn. Have a great day.